Pack, boom, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Valparaiso, local and long-distance movers near me. Typically, people relocating about 50 miles from their current location always need help with their move. Sometimes their move takes place within the same state, or at other times, it extends beyond state borders. Interstate long relocations often fall under the management of the FMCSA. This authority monitors long-distance relocations to ensure it goes smoothly and guarantees that clients' properties are appropriately handled. Our excellent relationship with the FMCSA and other concerned bodies indicate that our services are trustworthy. We have several moving trucks for long-distance relocations. These trucks are sturdy and roomy enough to carry your things at once. Thus, we can execute multiple long-distance relocations for different clients simultaneously. In addition, we service our vehicles regularly to keep them in excellent condition at any time a client calls for our services. If you're a resident in Valparaiso thinking of moving to another part of town, 3 Movers is the firm to contact. We plan our clients' local relocations with care, even though it involves less distance than long-distance relocations. Our prices are pretty fair and competitive, so you can expect to pay as little as $30 to $40 per hour. Our drivers know all the routes in Valparaiso, making them the perfect team to help you move your stuff to the new destination without complications. Our previous clients can testify that 3 Movers goes above and beyond to ensure the process is seamless. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Valparaiso moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.